In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe a YouTube video using ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into it. Transcribing a video can be an incredibly helpful tool. Whether you're a student looking to take notes, a professional needing to create content from video, or just someone who prefers reading over watching. So let's get started with the first step. First things first, we need to find the video you want to transcribe. So open up YouTube and browse through your subscriptions or search for that specific video. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to open it. This is where you'll want to copy the video's link. To do this, just click on the address bar at the top of your browser, highlight the entire URL, and then right-click and select Copy. This is important because we're going to need this link in a moment. Now that we have our video link, let's get the transcript. Depending on the video, it may already have a transcript available. Here's how to check. Look below the video, right next to the like and dislike buttons. There should be an option that says Show Transcript. If you see it, go ahead and click that option. A panel should pop up with the entire transcript of the video. This makes it super easy to transcribe. Select all the text in that transcript panel, copy it, and you're done with this step. However, if the video doesn't have a transcript option, don't worry. There are various transcription tools available online that can help you generate one. You can use services like Otter.ai or other similar transcription software. Just upload the video or provide the link, and these tools will create a transcript for you. Once you have that, you can also copy the text from there. Now that you've captured the transcript, it's time for the next step. Open ChatGPT in a new tab. Now, paste the transcript you just copied into the chat box. This is where the magic starts. Before we press enter, let's give ChatGPT a little direction with a prompt. You might want to say something like, clean up this transcript, fix grammar and punctuation, remove filler words, and keep the original meaning. What this does is instruct ChatGPT to refine the information you've provided, making it clearer and easier to read. After you hit enter, give ChatGPT a moment to process everything. It's busy taking your raw, potentially messy transcript and polishing it into a clean, coherent piece of text. It's really fascinating how it can take out all those ums, ahs, and other filler words, making everything flow so much better. Once ChatGPT gets back to you with the final version, take a moment to review it. You'll have a polished transcript that's more readable and accurately conveys the original message of the video. Go ahead and select all the clean text, and just like before, right-click and choose Copy. Now you can paste this transcribed and cleaned up text into a document, note-taking app, or anywhere else you plan to use it. Whether you're going to create a blog post, use it for study materials, or just keep it for your own reference, this cleaned transcript is now ready to go. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to transcribe a YouTube video using ChatGPT. Remember,